Students, today we are going to solve another important question. You can see two bulbs X and Y rated 100 watt 220 volt and 60 watt 220 volt are connected across a 220 volt in parallel. ठीक है, ये आप देख रहे हैं कि दो बल्ब आपके हैं, ये कनेक्टेड है. ठीक है, किसमें कनेक्टेड है? पैरेलल में. इसके ये आप सप्लाई देख रहे हैं 220 वोल्ट की. ठीक है, आपको क्या निकालना है? फाइंड द करंट फ्लो थ्रू ईच बल्ब. आपको ईच बल्ब में जो करंट फ्लो हो रही आपको वो निकालना है. कैलकुलेट द पावर कंज्यूम बाय ईच बल्ब. हर एक बल्ब में जो पावर होगी वो भी आपको निकालनी है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. Now students, I have made this circuit. Okay, this is a plus minus 220 volt. अब कह रहा है find the current falling through each bulb. ठीक है, since we know the power formulas, P is equal to, first is P is equal to VI, second is V square by R, and third is I square R. These are the formulas of power. Okay, now you can see that power is given for bulb. First, power is given what? 100 watt. V is given 220 volt. So we will use this formula. P is equal to, this is the first bulb, so we can x, so that is px v square by r. So we will find the value of r, that is rx, v square by p. Okay, so v is 220 and into 220, and power is what? 100 watt. To 22 into 22, 22 times 44, 484. So this is a resistance of X bulb. Similarly, we will find Ry. So Ry, that is 220 into 220 upon 60, that is 3, that is 11. So solving this, we will get 867 ohm, that is Ry. Okay, अच्छा. Okay, okay, now find the current flow. Find क्या कर रहा, what he's saying that find the current flowing through each bulb. So let this is a I1 current and that is I2 current. Okay, these are in parallel connection, so the value of I1 and I2 will be different. So first we will find I1. So I1 is equal to, by the Ohm's law, V upon Rx. V upon Rx. So V is 220 and Rx is 484. So solving this, we will get 0.45 ampere. Okay, now second, I2, V by Ry. V is 220 and Ry is 806.67 ohm. So solving this, we will get 0.27 ampere current. Up, he is saying that the what is the power consumed by each bulb, and that is given. That is given. That is given. Now you can also find by which formula. Rx is equal to V square by P. So P is equal to Px is equal to what? V square by R. Okay, so V is 220 into 220 and Rx is 484. So solving this, we will get 100 watt. This is also given in your, this is also given in question, and Ry is equal to V square by Py. So that is 220 into 220 upon Py is what? Sorry, Ry. We have to find Py. Py is equal to V square by Ry. Ry is 806.67. After solving this, you will get 60 watt. So power consumed by X bulb is Px is equal to 100 watt and Py is equal to 60 watt. Answer, note down.